This video will show you how to fit your Chimney Sheep draft excluder. Your Chimney Sheep will arrive in a clear bag. If you're not confident about the fit, try it out in the bag first. If you don't have the right size, this will keep your Chimney Sheep soot-free so you can return it to us if need be. First, thread your handle and extension rod onto the clamp of your Chimney Sheep. Your Chimney Sheep will come with one extension rod and one handle per clamp. You may have ordered some more extension rods if you're placing your Chimney Sheep higher than 30 centimetres. Tighten the extension rod or rods onto the clamp first and then thread your handle on until you hear them click together. Next, you'll need to put your Chimney Sheep into your chimney flue. Gently push your Chimney Sheep into the part of the flue you previously measured. It can take a bit of manoeuvring to get a snug and secure fit. You may need to push it up and then pull it down slightly. Sometimes you need to tuck it in at the sides a bit. It will remember this shape, so it won't be so faffy next time. Finally, check that the safety tag is visible. You can now enjoy a cosy, draft-free room.
For more help on how to measure your chimney, as well as tips on energy saving and sustainable living, head to chimneysheep.co.uk.